Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to sort alphabetically in Excel. Friends, if you want to arrange your data in ascending or descending order, then you simply need to click on the head of the row. Here on the top you need to select data. In data heading you will find the option of sorting A to Z or Z to A. Now friends, as you can see, now my data is arranged in A to Z sequence. Like this you can also arrange it in Z to A. Now as you can see, now my data is arranged in Z to A sequence. So friends, like this you can very easily arrange your data alphabetically. I hope you find this information useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.